Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Cartier sunglasses model CT0227s in color code 001. The color of the frame is black. And these glasses are a round shape. On its top right lens, you'll find the Cartier logo engraved. And the bridge is silver. Its temples are silver and black. This is the inside of the frame. And this is what you see when wearing the frame. On its nose pads, you'll find the Cartier emblem in silver. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple, is the dimension of its temple, which is 140, and that it's made in France, and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the Cartier logo, and again, the dimension of its temple, which is 140. The glasses also come with a Cartier box, a red and gold Cartier gift box, a Cartier case with the Cartier logo in gold on the case, a Cartier booklet, a black Cartier cleaning cloth with the Cartier logo on it, and a Cartier dust bag. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any other frames, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.